So what you need to do next is to actually put it into application so that people can use it. I'll give you a very, very layman example, right? Uh, this is a tutorial that I created last time to show people what how to classify images that you have gathered from Instagram. So what we did was we gathered a bunch of images from Instagram using a specific hashtag, and then we are able to train the model to help us to separate this image into different classes. So in this particular use case that I have done, right, my use case is I have a lot of pictures about chicken rice. So how do I effectively split those images or teach a machine learning models to help me to understand which one is chicken rice, which one is steamed chicken rice, and which one is roasted chicken? And this is the answer, right? So what I've done was I trained a machine learning model using computer visions and run it on Google Cloud Platform. And I'm just using the things that I've told you before. What we need to do is we need to manually label them into steamed chicken and roasted chicken. So the machine learning model will actually follow the input data that we have given it, right? And then it's able to learn from that and automatically help us to classify this image. Now, I choose this example because you can easily relate to it. Think about it, right? If we're not using steamed chicken and roasted chicken today, we're just talking about defects in the products that in manufacturing company. Now, a lot of my students use the same technique for that. How do I take a picture of a product and tell whether the product is defect or is there a crack or not? So first of all, you need to take a lot of pictures of a product that is normal, that's perfect, there's no problems, no crack. Then you need to take a lot of pictures about those product that has a crack in it. Yeah, so the machine learning model will know, oh, okay, this is the right one, the normal one, perfect one, and these are the one with a crack. Then we measure the length of the cracks and use different methods to help us to identify, all right, these are the product that should be rejected because it did not pass the QC. Okay. A lot of companies, a lot of factories, manufacturing factories, they are still using human because right now human is still cheaper than machines, right? But later on, when they have finally developed this, this has been developed, all right. They have finally integrated this into their workflow, into their production line, right? Chances are they're going to fire all the humans who does QC, right?